Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert an Excel spreadsheet into Word 2016. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we insert an Excel spreadsheet. In this document, go to the Insert menu and click Table option. Then click Excel spreadsheet option. Now we can see we insert a Excel spreadsheet in this document. We write anything this spreadsheet. Then now we can see here a Excel spreadsheet in Microsoft Word document. You can edit this spreadsheet. Double click on this spreadsheet and you can go to the Excel look like Word and you can edit any text or any formula. Then again click the outside of spreadsheet to come back on Microsoft Word. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.